What if the biggest thing keeping you from getting rich isn't your job, your spending, or even the economy? What if it has something inside your own head, ancient survival wiring that is quietly sabotaging your financial life? Today, we're exposing the hidden mental traps your brain uses to keep you poor. You work hard, you pay your bills, you try to save. But no matter what, it feels like you're running on a treadmill, never getting ahead. You see other people building wealth and think, what am I missing? The truth? It's not about luck or secret investing tips. It's about how your brain was designed for survival, not for success in the modern world. Your instincts are ancient. They were built for hunting and gathering, not for handling stocks and savings accounts. And those same instincts that once kept our ancestors alive now quietly keep us broke. Inside your mind are invisible scripts called cognitive biases. They influence every single financial decision you make, and most of the time, they're working against you. Let's break down the four most destructive ones and, more importantly, how to beat them. First up, loss aversion. Here's a wild fact. Losing money hurts about twice as much as gaining the same amount feels good. That's loss aversion in action. It's your brain screaming, danger, every time you see red numbers in your account, even if it's just a temporary market dip. This deep-seated fear makes people do irrational things. They sell winning investments too soon just to lock in a small gain, or they hold on to losing stocks for way too long, hoping they'll bounce back, all to avoid the sharp pain of admitting a loss. But here's the secret. Wealthy people don't see losses as failures. They see them as data. They learn from the dip. The best way to beat this is to automate your investing so your emotions don't get a vote. Set up a system like dollar cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount every month, no matter what. It's a strategy that beats fear every single time. Next, we have the scarcity mindset. This is one of the most dangerous traps of all. It's the constant nagging belief that there's just not enough money, not enough time, not enough opportunity to go around. When you're stuck in scarcity, your brain's bandwidth shrinks. It's like trying to run complex software on an old computer. You can only focus on immediate survival choices, not smart, long-term ones. You might hoard cash instead of investing it, pass on opportunities because they feel too risky, and focus only on getting by instead of getting ahead. The antidote? Cultivating a mindset of abundance. It sounds simple, but start by practicing gratitude. Every day, name 3 things you're thankful for. It literally retrains your brain to spot possibilities instead of limitations. And when you catch yourself saying, I can't afford that, reframe it as a question. How can I afford that? This simple shift moves you from a state of limitation to a state of possibility. Now for bias number 3. Instant gratification. Your brain is wired for immediate rewards. Every time you make an impulse purchase, your brain releases a shot of dopamine, that feel-good chemical that makes you want to do it again. It's the same reason we scroll endlessly on social media or reach for a snack. But here's the catch. Wealth is built on the exact opposite principle: delayed gratification. It's choosing the future you want over the pleasure you want right now. The solution? Create friction. Put a barrier between you and your impulses. Use the 72-hour rule. Before buying anything non-essential over, say, $50, wait 3 days. 9 times out of 10, the urge will vanish. Then make your future self feel real. Visualize the life you're saving for. What does it look, feel, and sound like? When your long-term goals feel tangible and exciting, the cheap thrill of an impulse buy just doesn't compare. And finally, a 2-for-1 deal. Overconfidence and its opposite, the fear of failure. These 2 biases are on opposite ends of the spectrum, but both can destroy your financial potential. Overconfidence whispers, I can beat the market, I've got the magic touch. This leads to risky speculative bets and YOLO trading that almost always ends in disaster. On the other side, fear of failure screams, don't even try. You'll lose everything. This leads to paralysis, keeping your money sitting in a low-interest savings account where inflation eats it away. One is arrogance, the other is paralysis, and both keep you stuck. The truth is, Nobody consistently beats the market. Real, sustainable wealth is built through boring, consistent habits, not big, flashy bets. And if fear is holding you back, remember this. Failure isn't final. It's tuition. Every mistake is a lesson paid for. The only real failure is never starting in the first place. Start small, start scared, but just start. If this is opening your eyes and you're having some aha moments, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, because mastering your money truly starts with mastering your mind. Look, your brain isn't your enemy. It's an ancient machine trying to run modern problems on prehistoric software. But the good news is, once you understand the code, you can start to rewrite it. You can replace that primal fear of loss with cold, hard logic. You can shift from a mindset of scarcity to one of abundance. You can choose disciplined action over instant gratification. And you can trade paralysis and overconfidence for small, confident, consistent steps. When you do this, you're not just managing your money. You're rewiring your brain for wealth. Building wealth isn't about being the smartest person in the room. It is about being smarter than your own instincts. It's about creating systems and rules that protect you from your own emotional reactions. Once you take back control from your survival brain and start making decisions with your logical, future-oriented mind, every financial choice you make becomes a deliberate step toward freedom. Your brain's old wiring got you here, but your new mindset will get you out. You have the power to rewire your brain, and in doing so, your entire financial future. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know. Which of these biases are you going to break first? Reese from Powerful Individual would like to take the opportunity to say, thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos that help you master your money by mastering your mind.